How to withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. If you'd like to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps. So launch your Trust Wallet app on your phone first, and once you access it, you will be finding this interface. Now from here, from your asset list, you can tap on Tether USD ERC20. Just go ahead and find it up, or you can tap on Send and find it up as well, and press on the send button to start the withdrawal. So you can basically search for it, TRC20, ERC20, and find it up and search for USDT. And once you find it up, you can basically press the send button from here to start the withdrawal. And once you do so, here in this section, you can paste the wallet address or exchange deposit address where you want to send your USDT. And make sure the destination also supports USDT ERC20. And that's it. After that, type the amount of USDT you want to send and tap max to send all. And since ERC20 runs on Ethereum, you will need Ethereum in your wallet to pay gas fees. And if you have no Ethereum, deposit some before sending. After you do so, you can basically find the address where you would like to send it. So just go ahead and copy it from the other application, for example, Binance or any other application. And once you copy it, you can head over back to that section and go ahead and paste it right here in the section. And once confirmed, and you may just go ahead and approve the transaction and tap on top of Ethereum, and that will basically do it. And your transaction will be appearing in Trust Wallet history. Wait a few minutes for the Ethereum network to confirm, and that will basically go ahead and withdraw the USDT ERC20 from a Trust Wallet. So therefore, you may follow up the steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.